Hello everyone, and welcome. Let's have a little chat about something I see every single day in my clinic. People who dream of having a straighter, more confident smile. It's a universal wish, isn't it? You look in the mirror, and maybe you see a couple of teeth that have decided to go on a little adventure of their own, crowding their neighbors or creating a little gap. For years, the main solution was traditional metal braces, what many people call train tracks. While they do a fantastic job, the thought of wearing them for a couple of years can be a real put-off for many adults who have busy social lives and professional careers to think about. The world of dentistry is always moving forward, always innovating to make things easier, faster, and better for you, the patient. We've seen an explosion of new technologies designed to give you that amazing smile without the long-term commitment of old-school braces. People want results, and they want them now, but they also want a treatment that fits into their lifestyle. It's no longer about just getting the job done, it's about how we get there. This demand for speed and convenience has led to some truly brilliant inventions that are changing the face of orthodontics as we know it, making a perfect smile more accessible than ever before. Imagine being able to straighten your front teeth in a matter of weeks, not years. Think about having an appliance you can take out for a special occasion, a big meeting, or even just to enjoy your favorite meal without any hassle. This isn't science fiction, this is the reality of modern cosmetic dentistry. We now have options that focus specifically on the teeth that show when you smile, what we call the social six. These treatments are designed for people who don't need a full mouth overhaul, but want to correct those minor imperfections that have been bothering them for ages, giving them a massive confidence boost in a short amount of time. This is where the incredible Inman Aligner steps into the spotlight. It's a clever, removable device that has been making waves for its ability to deliver stunning results incredibly quickly. It's part of a new generation of orthodontic solutions that bridge the gap between lengthy comprehensive treatments and purely cosmetic fixes. In this guide, we're going to dive deep into everything you need to know about the Inman Aligner. We'll explore how it works, who it's for, what the journey looks like, and how it stacks up against other popular choices. So, grab a cup of tea, get comfortable, and let's talk teeth. So, what is this clever gadget, the Inman Aligner? Let's break it down in simple terms. Think of it as a smart, removable retainer with a hidden superpower. On the outside, you'll see a very thin, discrete metal bar that sits across your front teeth. On the inside, hidden from view, there's a clear plastic bow that gently pushes against the back of your teeth. These two parts are connected by special nickel-titanium coil springs. This is where the magic happens. The springs create a gentle, continuous push and pull force on your teeth, squeezing them into their ideal position. It's a bit like two hands guiding your teeth into a perfectly straight line. The science behind it is really quite brilliant because it's all about efficiency. Traditional braces often move teeth in a slower, more methodical sequence. The Inman Aligner, however, uses a unique squeeze effect that allows for a much larger range of movement in a shorter period. The opposing forces work together, so as the inner bow pushes your front teeth forward, the outer bar pulls them back and into alignment. This constant, gentle pressure is what makes the treatment so incredibly fast. It's a targeted approach, designed specifically to tackle the alignment of your front 4 to 6 teeth with remarkable speed and precision. Unlike fixed braces that are bonded to your teeth for the entire treatment, the Inman Aligner is completely removable. It's a single, self-contained appliance that you can pop in and out yourself. This is a huge plus for many people. It means you can take it out to eat your favorite foods, so there are no dietary restrictions. You can also remove it to brush and floss your teeth properly, which makes keeping your mouth healthy and clean during treatment an absolute breeze. This removability gives you a level of freedom and control that you just don't get with traditional orthodontic methods, blending seamlessly into your daily routine. The aligner itself is custom-made just for you. Your dentist will take highly accurate impressions or a digital scan of your teeth. This information is then sent to a certified Inman Aligner lab, where technicians use advanced three-dimensional modeling to create your bespoke appliance. This ensures that the aligner fits your mouth perfectly and that the forces are applied in exactly the right places to achieve the desired result. The combination of its smart design, powerful mechanism, and custom fit is what makes the Inman Aligner such an effective and popular choice for fast-tracking your way to a beautiful straight smile. Now, this is a very important question because as fantastic as the Inman Aligner is, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. It has a specific job, and it does that job brilliantly. The ideal candidate for an Inman Aligner is someone with mild to moderate issues affecting their front teeth only. We're talking about things like minor crowding, where the teeth are a bit jumbled up. It's also great for correcting teeth that stick out slightly, a condition we call protrusion. If you have small gaps between your front teeth or teeth that are slightly rotated or twisted, the Inman Aligner could be your perfect match. Another major group of people who benefit from this treatment are those who have experienced adult relapse. This is a very common scenario where someone had braces when they were a teenager and achieved a perfectly straight smile. But over the years, they stopped wearing their retainer. As a result, their teeth have started to drift back towards their old positions. It can be incredibly frustrating to see your hard-earned straight smile begin to disappear. The Inman Aligner is an excellent and speedy solution to nudge those naughty front teeth back into place without having to go through comprehensive orthodontic treatment all over again. The Inman Aligner can also be used as a fantastic preparatory tool before other cosmetic dental work. Let's say you're planning on getting porcelain veneers or composite bonding to improve the shape and color of your teeth. If your teeth are slightly crooked, your dentist might have to remove more of your natural tooth structure to make the veneers fit properly. By using an Inman Aligner first to quickly straighten them, we can be much more conservative. This pre-alignment means less drilling and preserving more of your healthy tooth, which is always the best approach in dentistry. It sets the stage for a more beautiful and minimally invasive final cosmetic result. However, it's just as important to understand who the Inman Aligner is not for. If you have severe crowding, significant bite problems involving your back teeth, like a deep overbite or crossbite, or issues with the position of your tooth roots, this is not the right tool for the job. The Inman Aligner is designed for cosmetic alignment of the front teeth. It doesn't move back teeth or make major changes to your overall bite. For these more complex cases, you would need a comprehensive treatment like traditional braces or a full Invisalign course. Your dentist will do a thorough assessment to see which category you fall into. So, you've decided the Inman Aligner might be for you. What happens next? Your journey begins with a comprehensive consultation with a certified Inman Aligner dentist. This first visit is all about gathering information. Your dentist will have a good chat with you about your goals, what you'd like to change about your smile, and your lifestyle. They will then conduct a thorough examination of your teeth, gums, and bite. To get a perfect picture of what's going on, they will take clinical photographs and x-rays, as well as precise impressions or a high-tech three-dimensional digital scan of your teeth. It's a completely painless and straightforward process. Once all the records are gathered, the magic of technology takes over. Your dentist will use the scans or impressions to create a three-dimensional digital model of your teeth. This allows them to plan your treatment with incredible accuracy. In many cases, they can even show you a simulation of how your teeth will move and what your final smile will look like before you even begin. Once you give the green light, the designs are sent off to the official Inman Aligner laboratory. There, skilled technicians will fabricate your custom-made aligner, a process that usually takes about 2 to 3 weeks. This ensures your appliance is perfectly tailored to your unique dental anatomy. The big day arrives, your fitting appointment. Your dentist will show you how to insert and remove your new aligner and will make any tiny adjustments needed to ensure it fits comfortably and is working effectively. They will give you all the instructions you need for success, and this is the most crucial part. For the Inman Aligner to work its magic, you must wear it for 16 to 20 hours every single day. You only take it out for eating, drinking anything other than water, and for brushing and flossing. Consistent wear is the absolute key to achieving that fantastic, speedy result that the treatment is famous for. Throughout your treatment, you'll have regular checkup appointments with your dentist, typically every 2 to 3 weeks. These visits are quick and simple. Your dentist will check your progress, make sure the teeth are moving as planned, and sometimes make small modifications to the aligner to keep the treatment on track. The average treatment time is astonishingly fast, usually lasting anywhere from 6 to 18 weeks. Once your teeth are perfectly aligned, the final step is retention. To keep your beautiful new smile in place forever, you will be given a retainer, either a discrete fixed wire bonded behind your teeth, or a removable clear retainer to wear at night. One of the biggest, most celebrated advantages of the Inman Aligner is its incredible speed. In the world of orthodontics, speed is a luxury, and honestly, this appliance delivers it in spades. While traditional treatments can take a year or two, the Inman Aligner can achieve fantastic results in just a fraction of that time. Most cases are completed within 6 to 18 weeks. Imagine starting your treatment at the beginning of a season and having a brand new, straighter smile by the end of it. This is a massive draw for adults who want to see a change quickly, perhaps for an upcoming wedding, a new job, or just because, they've waited long enough to fix their smile. Another huge benefit that patients absolutely love is that the aligner is removable. This feature gives you a level of freedom and convenience that is simply not possible with fixed braces. You can continue to enjoy all your favorite foods without worrying about breaking a bracket or getting food stuck in wires. Crunchy apples, sticky toffees, corn on the cob, nothing is off limits. Furthermore, maintaining excellent oral hygiene is so much easier. You just pop the aligner out, brush and floss your teeth as you normally would, and then pop it back in. This significantly reduces the risk of plaque buildup and decay during your treatment. Let's talk about cost, because it's always an important factor. Because the treatment time is so much shorter and it typically involves fewer and quicker dental appointments, the Inman Aligner is generally a more affordable option compared to comprehensive orthodontic treatments like full-mouth braces or Invisalign. It provides a cost-effective way to achieve a significant cosmetic improvement without the financial commitment of a 2-year treatment plan. This makes a beautiful smile accessible to a much wider range of people who might have previously thought that orthodontic work was beyond their budget. It's truly great value for the incredible results it delivers. Finally, the confidence boost you get is immense, and it starts right from the beginning of the treatment. The Inman Aligner is a single appliance, which means you get used to it very quickly. Because it focuses on just the front teeth, many patients report seeing visible changes in their smile within the first few weeks. This early progress is incredibly motivating and exciting, reinforcing your commitment to wearing the appliance. The ability to quickly correct those little things that have bothered you for years can have a profound impact on your self-esteem, encouraging you to smile more freely and feel better about your appearance in a remarkably short space of time. Of course, it's only fair that we talk about the drawbacks, because no treatment is perfect for everyone. It's important to have a realistic picture. The most obvious downside of the Inman Aligner is its visibility. While it is far more discreet than a full set of metal braces, it is not invisible. There is a thin metal wire that runs across the front of your teeth. For some people, especially those in very public-facing roles, this can be a deal-breaker. While many patients find that people barely notice it, if your goal is a completely hidden treatment, then this might not be the best choice for you. When you first start wearing the aligner, you will likely notice a couple of temporary side effects. The appliance can feel quite bulky in your mouth initially, and it's common to experience a slight lisp or difficulty with your speech for the first few days, or even a week or two. Your tongue needs time to adapt to this new object in your mouth. You might also find that you produce more saliva than usual. The good news is that these issues are almost always temporary. As your mouth gets used to the aligner, your speech will return to normal, and the initial feeling of bulkiness will fade away. Another aspect to consider is the commitment required from you, the patient. The success of the Inman Aligner is almost entirely dependent on your compliance. You must wear it for the recommended 16 to 20 hours per day, every single day. If you don't, the treatment simply won't work as quickly or effectively as it should. This requires a great deal of self-discipline. For people who are forgetful or who might be tempted to leave the aligner out for long periods, this could be a significant challenge. It's a partnership between you and your dentist, and you have to be prepared to do your part. Finally, there can be some initial discomfort. The forces that move your teeth can cause them to feel tender and sensitive, especially during the first week of wear and after each adjustment appointment. This is completely normal and is actually a sign that the aligner is working. The pressure is what stimulates the biological process of tooth movement. This discomfort is usually mild and can be easily managed with over-the-counter pain relievers if needed. It typically subsides after a few days as your teeth get accustomed to the pressure, but it's something you should be prepared for at the start of your journey. When considering orthodontics, it's helpful to compare your options. Let's start with the Inman Aligner versus Invisalign. The biggest difference is their scope. The Inman Aligner is a specialist, focusing only on aligning the front 6 to 8 teeth quickly. Invisalign, on the other hand, is a comprehensive system that can treat a huge range of complex cases, moving all the teeth in the mouth to correct bite issues and severe misalignments. In terms of appearance, Invisalign wins the discretion award with its virtually invisible clear plastic trays. whereas the Inman Aligner has that visible metal bar. However, for sheer speed on simple front tooth cases, the Inman Aligner is often much faster. Next, let's compare the Inman Aligner to Damon Braces, which are a modern type of fixed brace. Damon Braces are a powerful, full-mouth system capable of tackling the most complex orthodontic problems. They are fixed to your teeth for the entire duration of the treatment, which typically lasts 12 to 24 months. The Inman Aligner is removable and has a much shorter treatment time of just a few weeks. When it comes to hygiene, being able to remove the Inman Aligner makes brushing and flossing significantly easier. Cleaning around fixed braces like the Damon system requires more time and special tools to do it effectively. Cost is another key point of comparison. Generally, because the Inman Aligner treatment is so much shorter and simpler, it is one of the most cost-effective orthodontic solutions available. In the US, you might expect to pay between $1,200 and $1,500 per arch. In the UK, the price typically ranges from £1,200 to £2,000 per arch. Compare this to Invisalign, which can cost anywhere from $3,000 to $8,000 for a full treatment, or Damon Braces, which can be in a similar price range. The Inman Aligner provides a fantastic cosmetic result for a fraction of the cost of these more comprehensive systems. Ultimately, the choice comes down to your specific needs, priorities, and budget. If your main goal is to quickly and affordably straighten your front teeth, and you don't have any major bite issues, the Inman Aligner is an outstanding choice. If you need whole mouth correction or want the most discreet option possible, then Invisalign might be a better fit. If you have very complex orthodontic problems, then a powerful fixed system like Damon Braces will likely be the recommended path. A thorough consultation with your dentist is the best way to weigh the pros and cons of each and decide which treatment will give you the smile you've always wanted. There's nothing quite like hearing from people who have actually been through the treatment. Real patient stories bring the process to life and show you what's truly possible. Take Lisa, for example, a marketing manager who was always conscious of a slight overlap in her front teeth. She wanted a quick fix before a series of important client presentations. After a consultation, she was deemed a perfect candidate for the Inman Aligner. She was amazed that within just 8 weeks of wearing her aligner diligently, her teeth were perfectly straight. She reported that while her speech was a bit funny for the first week, it was a small price to pay for such a rapid transformation. Then there's Haroon, a student who had braces as a teen but his teeth had relapsed. He was frustrated by the crowding that had returned on his lower teeth. He didn't want to go through the whole fixed brace experience again. His dentist suggested the Inman Aligner, and his treatment was complete in an incredible 6 weeks. He loved that he could take it out to eat with his friends and for sports. His story is a classic example of how effective the aligner is for adult relapse cases, providing a fast and convenient solution to turn back the clock on unwanted tooth movement and restore a previously straight smile. We also have the story of Teresa, who needed treatment on both her upper and lower arches. Her case was a bit more involved, with moderate crowding on both. Her treatment was planned sequentially, starting with her lower teeth. Each arch took about 4 months to align perfectly. While her total treatment time was longer at around 8 months, she was thrilled with the outcome. She found the process manageable and was motivated by seeing the progress each month. Her journey shows that even slightly more complex crowding cases can be successfully treated as long as they fall within the scope of what the Inman Aligner is designed to correct. These experiences highlight a common theme: speed, convenience, and life-changing results. Patients consistently praise how quickly they see changes, which keeps them motivated to wear the appliance as directed. They talk about the initial adjustment period, but emphasize that it passes quickly. The ability to remove the aligner for meals and important moments is universally cited as a huge advantage. From small tweaks that take just over a month to more moderate cases that take a few months per arch, the feedback is overwhelmingly positive. These real-world results are a testament to the effectiveness of the Inman Aligner in delivering a perfect smile on the fast track. Choosing the right dentist is just as important as choosing the right treatment. You need a practitioner with the experience, skill, and technology to deliver the best possible results. For those in or around Pune, India, one of the leading providers of Inman Aligner treatment is the esteemed clinic of Dr. Aashish Mathesul. With over 2 decades of experience in the field of orthodontics, Dr. Mathesul has established a reputation for excellence and is at the forefront of modern dental technology. His clinic, located in the accessible area of Kalyani Nagar, is a hub for patients seeking high-quality cosmetic and orthodontic care. Dr. Mathesul's clinic is not just a place for Inman Aligners, it offers a comprehensive suite of advanced dental solutions. He is a Blue Diamond Invisalign provider, which is the highest tier of recognition, signifying an immense level of experience with clear aligner therapy. The clinic is also equipped to provide treatments like Damon Braces, dental implants, veneers, and general dentistry, ensuring that every patient receives a treatment plan that is perfectly tailored to their individual needs. This wide range of services means that you can be confident you are getting an unbiased recommendation for the best possible solution for your unique smile, whatever that may be. The patient experience is clearly a top priority at Dr. Mathesul's clinic. From the moment you step in, you are met with a professional and welcoming environment. The clinic embraces modern technology, offering services like WhatsApp video consultations, which is incredibly convenient for initial discussions and for patients who may be traveling from a distance. The team is dedicated to making your dental journey as comfortable and efficient as possible, providing clear communication and support every step of the way. Their patient testimonials often praise the clinic's friendly atmosphere and the meticulous care provided by Dr. Mathesul and his staff. For anyone in India considering the Inman Aligner, Dr. Mathesul's clinic in Pune represents a premier choice. With a deep understanding of facial aesthetics and smile design, combined with expertise across multiple orthodontic systems, you are in incredibly safe and capable hands. The clinic's commitment to using the latest techniques and technologies ensures that you are receiving world-class care. Whether you are seeking a quick fix with an Inman Aligner or a more comprehensive smile makeover, starting your journey with a consultation at a highly regarded clinic like this is a crucial first step towards achieving the smile you've always dreamed of. So, after all that, we come back to the most important question. Is the Inman Aligner the right choice for you? We've seen that it's a truly remarkable piece of technology, capable of delivering beautifully straight front teeth in an unbelievably short amount of time. It's cost-effective, it's removable for easy cleaning and eating, and the results can be genuinely life-changing for the right person. For those with minor crowding, small gaps, or adult relapse affecting their front teeth, it stands out as one of the best options on the market today. It perfectly fills the niche for fast, simple, and effective cosmetic alignment. However, we've also been clear that it's not a magic wand for every single orthodontic issue. It has its limitations. It's not designed to fix complex bite problems or move back teeth, and it's not invisible. Your success depends entirely on your commitment to wearing it for at least 16 to 20 hours a day. You need to be honest with yourself about whether you have the discipline to see it through. Understanding both the incredible benefits and the realistic drawbacks is key to making an informed decision that you will be happy with in the long run. The single most important piece of advice I can give you is this. You cannot decide this alone by reading articles online, no matter how informative they are. The only way to know for sure if the Inman Aligner or any orthodontic treatment is right for you is to have a proper consultation with a qualified dentist or orthodontist. They have the expertise to assess your teeth, your bite, and your overall oral health. They can discuss your specific goals and present you with all the viable options, explaining the pros and cons of each as they apply directly to you. Your smile is one of your most valuable assets, and investing in it is one of the best things you can do for your confidence and well-being. Take that first step. Book a consultation, ask questions, explore your options, and work with a dental professional to create a plan. Whether the Inman Aligner is your final choice or you opt for another path, starting that conversation is the beginning of your journey to a healthier, happier, and straighter smile. And that is something worth smiling about.